Today we charged a number of defendants for their involvement in a wide-ranging relationship investment scam involving crypto assets. As alleged in our complaints, the defendants in these cases contacted their victims using social media and other messaging apps. And then, through various deceits, they developed personal relationships with their victims. Sometimes they did this by pretending to be young, wealthy professionals who claimed that they were falling in love with their victims. Once the relationships were formed, the fraudsters then pivoted. They started touting the promise of investing in crypto and strongly suggested to their victims that they make specific crypto investments. They encouraged their victims to transfer assets to supposed crypto trading platforms. In today's cases, Nanobit and CoinW6. The fraudsters designed those platforms to look legitimate, even with real-time pricing data. And to take it even a step further, in some cases, individuals pretending to be customer service reps of the platforms contacted investor victims. Now, once victims had invested their hard-earned money, the fake platforms even generated account statements that purported to show profits from those investments. The fraudsters then used those fake returns to convince investors to make even larger and larger investments, promising bigger and bigger returns. And in some cases, they even talked to their victims about enjoying a future together with the imminent windfalls. But here's the thing, none of this was real. The platforms were fake, there were no investments, and there were no profits. And the investors' assets were quickly transferred overseas or otherwise spent by the fraudsters. The financial and emotional impact of these types of frauds has been devastating to investors across the world, with some losing their entire life savings. So here's the bottom line. If a complete stranger reaches out to you through social media or messaging apps and offers investment advice, maybe after developing a personal relationship with you or even a romantic relationship, be wary. Take the time to ask questions. Take the time to educate yourselves. Use investor.gov to check the backgrounds of these investment firms or investment professionals. Review SEC and other law enforcement bulletins about the kinds of investments you're considering. And if you want to submit a complaint to the SEC about these scams or any others, go to the tips and complaints section of our website. We encourage each of you to be careful, to be vigilant, and to be informed when you're making investment decisions.